The truth about your liver. Most people never think about their liver until it stops working right. But here's the reality. Your liver is your body's natural detox machine. It filters out toxins, breaks down fats, balances hormones, and keeps your blood clean. And yet the way we eat, drink, and live today, it's like we're punishing this vital organ every single day. From processed foods to alcohol, late-night meals to stress, your liver is under attack more than you realize. That's why fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, and skin issues are so common. They're not just surface problems. They often point back to one thing: a sluggish, overworked liver. The good news: your liver is incredibly powerful, and with the right steps, it can start to heal, regenerate, and reset itself in just 3 days. No gimmicks, no starvation, just natural methods to give your liver the support it's been begging for. So if you're ready to feel lighter, clearer, and more energized, this is your 3-day liver reset. Day 1. Stop the damage. Remove liver stressors on the first day. It's all about removing what's hurting your liver. Think of it like cleaning a house. You can't clean if you keep tracking in dirt. Eliminate the following immediately. Alcohol, even small amounts, burden your liver. Processed sugars, candy, sodas, pastries, they spike insulin and overload the liver with fat. Fried and fatty foods, these make your liver work overtime. Artificial additives, preservatives, colorings, and chemicals are toxins your liver has to filter out. Instead, drink warm water with fresh lemon first thing in the morning. Lemon helps stimulate bile production, which your liver uses to break down fats and eliminate waste. Also, drink at least 2.5 liters of water throughout the day to flush out toxins. Your meals should now be liver-friendly. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, fresh garlic and turmeric, natural liver healers. Healthy fats in moderation like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. This day is about clearing the space. You're making room for your liver to do its magic. Day 2. Flood your body with liver-cleansing foods. Now that the damage is stopped, Day 2 is about nourishing and reactivating your liver's natural detox systems. Start your morning with a liver-loving detox drink. 1 cup warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon, apple cider vinegar, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Follow that up with a green smoothie. Blend kale, cucumber, green apple, parsley, and ginger with coconut water. This drink is loaded with chlorophyll and antioxidants, perfect for flushing heavy metals and supporting liver enzymes. Throughout the day, eat light but nutrient-dense meals. Add beets to your salad. Beets help thin bile and boost liver function. Enjoy artichokes and asparagus. They promote glutathione, a major detox agent your liver uses to heal. Snack on walnuts and pumpkin seeds, both rich in liver-supporting omega-3s and zinc. Don't forget to sweat. Go for a brisk walk, a sauna session, or light yoga. When your body sweats, it takes pressure off your liver by pushing out toxins through the skin. Most importantly, rest. Deep sleep activates your body's detox and repair cycle, especially between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. So get in bed early. Let your liver heal. Day 3. Restore, recharge, rebalance. On the final day, the focus shifts to repair and balance. Your liver is now cleaner and more active, but to keep it that way, you need stability. Start your day with dandelion root tea or milk thistle tea. Both herbs have been used for centuries to protect and regenerate liver cells. Make breakfast light but powerful. Steel-cut oats with chia seeds, blueberries, and a dash of cinnamon. This combo balances blood sugar and reduces inflammation. Midday, have a meal with wild-caught salmon, rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s, steamed greens, and quinoa. A tablespoon of fermented foods, like sauerkraut or kimchi, because a healthy gut equals a healthier liver. Hydrate with cucumber mint water or plain coconut water. In the evening, write in a journal. Yes, emotional detox is part of liver health too. Ancient Chinese medicine ties liver issues to anger and frustration. Letting go of emotional weight helps your body heal. Finally, take a few deep belly breaths, light a calming candle, and stretch. Your body has worked hard. You've reset more than just your liver. You've renewed your energy, your clarity, and your commitment to living well. Part 4. Herbal support. Nature's medicine for your liver. While food plays a huge role in liver health, there's another powerful healing path: herbal remedies. For centuries, herbal medicine has been used to purify the blood, protect the liver, and stimulate its regeneration. And science is finally catching up. Let's explore the top liver healing herbs you can easily add to your routine. Milk thistle. This is the king of liver detox herbs. Its active compound, silymarin, not only protects liver cells from toxins, but also promotes the growth of new cells. Taken as a tea or supplement, it's incredibly effective for those who have been exposed to alcohol, medications, or poor diet. Dandelion root. This bitter root is a powerhouse for increasing bile production and flushing out waste. It also helps reduce water retention and supports digestion. Drinking dandelion tea daily for just a week can ease bloating and help cleanse your liver more deeply. Turmeric. More than just a spice, turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces liver inflammation and increases the production of bile. Adding a half teaspoon to warm almond milk with black pepper for better absorption makes a soothing evening golden latte for your liver. Burdock root. Known for purifying the blood, burdock root can help remove heavy metals from the body and reduce the burden on the liver. Licorice root. This one is particularly helpful for reducing liver inflammation caused by viral infections or stress. Add these herbs into your daily ritual as teas, supplements, or powdered mixes. Over time, they can dramatically strengthen your liver's detox powers. And best of all, these are natural, gentle, and time-tested. Part 5. Liver-friendly lifestyle habits. Cleansing your liver isn't just about food and drinks, it's also about how you live. Modern life puts the liver under constant pressure, but a few smart habits can make all the difference. First, get moving. Regular exercise increases circulation and supports your lymphatic system, which works alongside your liver to remove waste. You don't need intense workouts. 30 minutes of walking, yoga, or cycling can do wonders. Next, practice deep breathing. Your liver processes every molecule of air you breathe. Shallow, stressed breathing limits oxygen and slows detox. Take a few minutes daily to breathe deeply. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This simple technique helps oxygenate your blood and supports liver function. Get quality sleep. Your liver works hardest at night, especially between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., according to traditional Chinese medicine. Aim for 7-8 hours of uninterrupted sleep in a dark, cool, screen-free environment. This is when the real detox magic happens. Avoid toxic chemicals as much as you can. Household cleaners, aerosol sprays, and chemical-laden personal care products all add to your liver's workload. Switch to natural or organic options wherever possible, and don't underestimate the power of stress management. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which burdens the liver and can trigger fat buildup. Try journaling, meditation, stretching, prayer, or spending time in nature to release daily tension. A clean liver needs more than a clean diet, it needs a clean lifestyle. Part 6. Staying clean. How to maintain liver health long term. Once you've cleaned your liver, the last thing you want is to go back to square one. So let's talk about maintenance, because liver health isn't a one-time fix, it's a lifelong relationship. Start by committing to 80-20 living. Eat clean, whole foods 80% of the time, and allow yourself small indulgences 20% of the time, without guilt. This balance helps you stay consistent and sustainable. Continue your morning liver rituals: a glass of lemon water, a short walk or stretch, light meals, to begin the day. Keep liver cleansing foods in regular rotation: leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, garlic and onions, beets, lemons, and limes, avocados. A cleaner liver, a stronger you. You've just given your liver the break it deserves. In just 3 days, with the right choices, you've taken a powerful step toward better digestion, clearer skin, sharper thinking, and more energy. But this is just the beginning. If you make even one or two of these changes a permanent part of your life, your liver will thank you every day, and so will your future self. So drink that lemon water. Say no to processed junk. Keep your plate colorful and your heart light. Because a clean liver is more than a detox, it's a reset for your entire life.